USB ports are essential for connecting devices to your computer. Sometimes these ports can fail, causing frustration and inconvenience. Omaha Computing Solutions has identified 7 signs that your computer's USB ports may be failing. First, if your devices are not recognized when plugged in, it could be a sign of a problem. Second, if your devices disconnect randomly, this could indicate a failing USB port. Third, if your devices work intermittently or at slow speeds, it may be time to check your USB ports. Fourth, physical damage or looseness in the ports can also be a sign of impending failure. Fifth, error messages popping up when connecting devices could signal an issue. Sixth, burning smells or other unusual odors coming from the USB ports should not be ignored. Lastly, if your computer freezes or crashes when using USB devices, this could be a red flag. Fortunately, there are ways to address these problems. Omaha Computing Solutions recommends first trying the basic troubleshooting steps such as restarting your computer, trying a different USB port, or using a different USB cable. If these steps do not work, updating your USB drivers or checking for software conflicts might solve the issue. If all else fails, contacting a professional technician for further diagnosis and repair is advised. In conclusion, keeping an eye out for these signs and following the recommended steps can help you identify and potentially resolve issues with your computer's failing USB ports. It is important to address these issues promptly to avoid disruptions in your daily computer use. Omaha Computing Solutions is here to help you navigate through these technical challenges and keep your devices running smoothly. If you need help, call Omaha Computing Solutions today.